Hi, I'm Ricardo, and this is Petit Coding. Okay, so last time we said we were going to refactor this because we didn't like how this was going over here, right? So what we need to do is refactor this to see. Yeah, I think we have many refactors to do here actually. Okay, so first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a function, and I'm going to create recognizer, and this will return a UI gesture recognizer. And what I want to do here right now is create recognizer, yeah, I need this parenthesis, UI gesture recognizer, and I want to return this UI tab gesture recognizer from my target itself in action this action image tab, so gesture recognizer, right? Okay, this build is succeeding. Right. So now what I have to do is create recognizer here. And actually I don't need this. And this either. Create recognizer here and create recognizer here. Command U. And all my tests are passing. You see, so I just refactored this and made it work. So it's being figured out with here, right? Where's my tests? Test fighter has one image, yeah. Test image view. Actually, I need to rename this test to test image views. Have one tab gesture recognizer. Like this, and let's commit it. So I'm going to say refactor the emblem settings tests to always create a new gesture recognizer. Commit 3 files. Okay. So we fixed the tests here. Now we need to do the same with the other tests, and actually we need to do everything. So not support emblem image view, but I think now it's a marksman. Emblem image view. First this. The marksman is not user interactable. So let me just have it here. And let's go to the emblem app, emblem settings. And let's just say marksman emblem image view. That is user interactable. True. Command U. We'll have to do this for all of them, right? Yeah, we'll have to do this for all of them. Command U. Oh, not support. Sorry. Marksman and image view. Command U. It doesn't have any. So marksman emblem image view, that add gesture recognizer, and the gesture recognizer is create recognizer, command U. Now it's working again. And we'll need to do this for every single one of them. We need to test first, right? So this is marksman, fighter support, marksman, tank, tank emblem image view, and tank emblem image view, command U. These both are failing, so I add this tank emblem image view and tank emblem image view, command U. Command U. Build failed. Why it's failing? I did something wrong here. Command U. Build succeeded. Now tank. Now tank. Build succeeded again. Okay, now the tests are passing. So added marksman and tank. Commit added marksman and tank tests. Push to remote. Commit through files and push. And we'll keep going. And we'll do it for all of this, right? So tank emblem image view. Then I need another test, not for the tank, but for tank jungle. Now I need jungle. Jungle image view and jungle here. Command U. Jungle is failing, so I'll get both of this here, the production one. Jungle emblem image view and jungle here. Command U. Build succeeded. Test succeeded. Committing. Added tests for jungle emblem image view. Okay, now we need assassin and then mage, I believe, right? So marksman, tank, jungle, assassin, and mage. So we'll need to get both of them right now. Here for assassin emblem image view and assassin emblem image view. We'll try the tests. The build failed. I don't know why it's failing, but I just need assassin here. So I just need to copy this. You see why we need to do all the tests first? Assassin emblem image view, then assassin emblem image view, command U. Build succeeded. The tests are failing. And just we need this assassin emblem image view here and assassin emblem image view here. Command U. Build succeeded. Tests are passing. Added tests for assassin emblem image view. And I know this video is long right now, but I just wanna finish this with the mage. So I'm going to copy this, paste it here, mage emblem image view, mage emblem image view, command U. Build succeeded. The test should fail now. They are failing. So the only thing I need to do now here is this. Mage emblem image view and mage emblem image view. Command U. And that's it. We have we need a better way to do this. Yeah, I agree. There should be a better way to do this since we have a for each here. And we're doing everything here at the same time. So we'll do that on the next video. Okay, and that's it for now. We refactored and got the gesture recognizer, each one for every single emblem item. So I'm happy about that, but there's some still code to do. We still need to refactor that to get in the for each loop. And since we have tests to do that, it will be very cool to do that in the next video. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and push that notification bell so you receive notifications every time I post a new video.